No idea who's gonna watch, but we'll see.
Perfect.
Yep. When's the last time you played this? Never.
Didn't know this was out.
By the way. The new stuff in this game. Resupply decks don't run out anymore, and Last Resort is now called Leftovers, and there's a slightly different cost to them.
Okay.
Who do you want to play as?
Let me do NG and Scientist.
We're gonna play on Tie Hot. NG and Scientist. So
I feel like those two are the highest. Well, I feel like the Captain and the NG are probably the ones going to be running around the most in Tie Hot. Just watching you guys play last time.
Oh, yeah.
Because everything is pre-broken.
This is true. Alright, so I'll do Captain. And the door broke. And then the game's over.
Oh,
thanks for playing.
Welcome.
Do I want to go to 2 before we leave? And then just not worry about it and use backtrack? We're gonna do that.
Figure we can backtrack by the time we die?
Maybe. You're playing Scientist, right?
Hmm? Okay.
Yeah.
It's on me now.
It's on you.
Okay.
Yeah. It is all you. We need so many of those.
Tia leaf. I like it.
And we can actually just, since we're now at 2, I'm just gonna put us back here. Go towards the other planet. Nothing happens.
Spanx.
Well.
It's a catchy tune. You should guys release a studio mix of that song.
Just that song.
Just that
it's
song.
just a single.
13 songs of just that.
Remixes.
Mm-hmm.
You said you're playing NG and...
Scientist.
Okay, so I'm doing the chef as well.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I could never master the chef. I got good.
I see what you did there.
Good, but I was... Oh, okay.
So the chef, I'm just going to get rid of some cards that I don't need. And since I don't have any of these ingredients yet, since it's the first turn, they're still not in the store.
Leftover.
And I'm just going to grab a hall pass on Marion.
I'm not even going to look at what that was, because I already know it's the busted door.
You just know it's bad.
I just know.
All the doors are broken.
Just guaranteed. Need a research, might as well. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna be greedy. It's all me.
Okay. This is how we lose.
No, it's not.
This is how we
Last time we played like this, we got all the way around the universe and back. Can't do anything.
No.
I'm playing Tie Hot now. I'm like second guessing everything.
Make note here. This is how we lost.
By what?
By Marion picking up the 1 silver.
Oh, this is the...
It's like a butterfly flapping its wings. Yeah. Oh, I just lost the only wrench that I had. Alrighty, so we're just going to upgrade the shields and then not do anything.
All shields all day.
We need that one. So I'm gonna take this so I can afford stuff later.
Got the shield back. Oh, the wrench back.
I played your turn for some reason.
I just realized that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
So technically, this might be. Don't do that. There you go.
It would be, or there's a wormhole. We're surrounded.
How bad is it?
It's a trap. Well, it puts us somewhere randomly on the galaxy, and I don't know.
I think we're far enough away to where it doesn't matter at this point. That's how to do it.
Just fall into a wormhole blindly?
Yeah.
Blindly?
Just, you want me to do it for you?
You want to take the controls? We're just going to fight over the controls at the beginning of the... crap. How far away was the wormhole? Clearly I don't need any more. I just need one. Because whatever we're falling into, I'm going to need power.
To get out of it.
Just going into the wormholes. And... it wasn't too bad.
Well,
we're probably in a place we'll never get out of alive. We want that. We want a lot of those.
What's so good about the Tia?
We need them for. We need 3 of them for the rest of the.
Yeah.
That's the only reason. Well, actually, they're actually pretty decent.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Power.
Pretty good.
And
slow enough. I would do that.
That one.
All right.
And for my last trick, we're gonna do that. Chef's turn. Chef's hand broken. Yup. Alright, I'm gonna taste test, which is gonna just destroy. I'm not gonna destroy any of these cards. I'm gonna bring a hall pass, discard that one. And since all the doors are broken, this hall pass is useless to me. But we still need our turnips and a solar crab somewhere. But I need this eventually. So I'm gonna just grab that. Alright. Marion's turn. Let's see if we're still alive after 2 rounds. I'm just gonna blame that on you, even though that was completely the galaxy.
It was probably me. What do we got? 2 and 3?
You can foresight a lot of things.
That's the only thing I can do.
You have a lot of options, as long as it's foresight. Okay. It's one that'll copy a card from someone else's, so you just essentially have a clone in your hand.
Sweet. Overdrive.
And another overdrive.
2 overdrives.
Those would be useful.
If we can make it there.
Look at that hall pass. Look at it.
Just stare at it.
So yeah, now leftovers don't have any worth. So if you're really wanting to boost up your worth, you want to buy ingredients in order to be able to afford the more expensive stuff.
Yeah. You don't need this. Well, you do. You do.
We got 2 of those, so go for it. Your turn.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Get off.
Please don't hurt us. We have no shields.
Oh yeah. We don't need to go anywhere, do we?
Well, we would like to.
Nah, you're good. Let's see, what are we gonna do? We're gonna upgrade shit. I don't want to fix the door, but I'll fix the shield. Just because I know that the next one.
I'm just gonna watch. You're just. What's over there?
What happened over there? What's going on? It's all on you now. No pressure.
Hey, look, I got a bounce card. This is a little nice for me. This is. Where are we in the galaxy? We.
Almost the same distance.
Warrior. The answer is definitely no. That's not a tail leaf that we need. I might go that way, unless this thing... No, definitely not that way.
What was over there?
This one will trigger all crises, which I don't think we have any. No, we don't have any. Oh, do you have a wrench in your hand? You do.
Yes.
Chef doesn't eat anything. Scientist. Let's give you something. I'm gonna make the scientist draw an extra card. And we're gonna go this way. Pick up some stuff.
Some tea.
Yeah. Every time I see Shaki coming, I just want to scream it.
I know.
Let's see.
Doctor.
Look at you paying attention.
Maybe. Call of Duty. We're like gonna need it.
Or what does that pick up? Alright, the claw.
Thank you.
Do I go one more? We've got the fuel. But I don't even dodge anything there. Is the Zap mark full? It is, so it'd be a waste. I'm going to take one of those. And then I gotta play the chef's turn.
I'm surprised we're making it this far.
I'm gonna taste test again.
Does it have like a turn counter?
It does on the main menu when you're looking at the save. I did it wrong. Alright, that's fine.
What's the average turn count for time?
Around 70.
Sweet. Since I'm here, we're doing like in the 90s.
We had a couple of people in the forums that were like, so I was on turn 130, and then things went bad.
Are they like in metric or standard?
Your turn.
Oh.
Let's see.
Dang. You just...
What? You have
I
one.
can't even do anything.
Well, how much does the lab cost?
3.
You have 2 power. You can foresight things.
Touche.
I don't. The doors have not been prepared yet.
Yeah, I'm
This might be a record.
Your mouse was like, go do it. Secret sauce.
Oh, we need that.
Healthy dosamine.
Yeah, the other one. Alright.
I'm like semi-relearning how to play this just because you've changed this entire game. I need you to fix this. This needs to stop.
Things are doing great.
Yeah, we are actually surprisingly, regardless of the red on the
So
screen.
a lot of sarcasm. Things are going
Regardless
great.
on the screen, what we see here, this is a thumbs up.
About the only thing that's not broken is life support.
If I was a doctor, I'd say at least you're not dead.
At least you're not dead.
That's the only thing going for you.
You have a pulse.
You ain't dead? What is that?
I don't know. That's
I found something!
misplaced affection. Something about a particular vessel tugged at the engineer's heartstrings. He named it Chelsea and kept her in a cozy kennel in the workshop. Chelsea chewed her way out, taken up on residence in the workshop walls, and now the chef scientist has 12 turns to track it down. You're always just taking stray cats.
Chelsea.
I can't do anything. Is this Chelsea?
Chelsea's a weird name for a cat. For me, I would name him something like...
Well, I mean... I guess so, if you're like Does this cat play soccer? It does not. Why is it named Chelsea?
Exactly. It's like a checklist of two. You have enough. As soon as you hit the mouse, as soon as you touch the mouse.
Yeah, well, it's not me that brought the
Vexel in.
Yeah. Okay, should be able to cook one thing. Duck turn up. And we still need a crab.
And you could use the Tia.
Goodness. Why is it always on your turn? Why always finding things on your turn?
Freaking Chelsea.
Oh, I don't get it.
The cat.
Well, you have 3 power now?
What do I want to do? Secret sauce? Or just wanna...
Mimikyu would be good. Breakthrough would be even better. So breakthrough is one of those other 2.
What
Insider knowledge.
What's breakthrough? What is that?
It reduces the cost of the labs by 2. You can also mutate.
I think we need stuff. How good is this?
It's any card you want it to be. Assuming the other person has that card in their hand.
Don't judge me yet.
That card's like the American Dream.
The American
And then when you can't use it, you're like, oh no.
Okay. Yeah, wait a minute. How did the door re-break? All the doors were already broken, and it just told me you extra broke it.
They're just extra broken now.
Extra broken.
Shields.
Okay, so I remember last time the flux inverter.
Logging a bug.
I remember last time the flux inverter was not discarded, but basically taken out of your hand. Is that still the case if I use it?
It comes back into your hand.
Okay.
And yeah, it just flips it to 0-3. Enter.
Let's see what you do.
I'm not entirely sure how we haven't taken any damage permanently.
It's because I'm here. Procrastination.
Putting a sticker on a windshield, we're overdue for an oil change by a few million light years. Sounds like my car. Quick search of the net says there's no big deal, but the infrequent tremors we notice say otherwise. Alright.
See if you had a Tesla.
Would be
Problem
tremors.
fixed.
Problem fixed, yeah.
Wait a minute, we haven't moved yet?
So... we, I can't even... I'm just gonna go this way.
My bad, I'm not upgrading the engines.
That's...
I'm focusing on the shields because I'm worried that it's all just gonna house guards just kind of fall into each other.
Oh,
Boom.
don't worry about shields anymore. For exactly 1 turn.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I think I take all of these. And... Doink. Power would be good. We still need to find crab so I can cook that last thing. And all our work down the drain. Alright, cook 1 thing. Can't cook anything else. We've got crises in every room and nobody can move.
Perfect.
It's my kind of action move. Your turn.
Excellent. 4 research. Can't do it. Can't do anything.
We're just gonna stay with the screen until you
Yeah,
figure something out.
I'm
Just-
waiting for
Just
him to put his arm down because.
do you have a second hall pass? You do not. You should get one of those. I mean, doors are all broken, but
When they work, magic happens.
hey, look, you have the claw dude in your hand.
Yeah,
The
look
thing
here.
that the Angie should have had.
Oh, sweet. Great.
That's right, Isabel. We're dying.
Now.
I'm just holding my breath right now.
And I can hear you.
I was like, ah! Okay.
We got 2 of that. I don't want to take it from you.
You should get a Burnalizer.
Honestly, I thought that was like car wheels in the window. I didn't think it was goggles. I just realized they're goggles.
My turn.
This game has changed on me. Back in my day,
Back in my day, things weren't broken.
things weren't the same.
NG seems to be good. Chef's alright. You're doing stuff, I guess.
Meh. I can't even do anything.
I think the chef might have some utility cards. Let's go tail leaf. We're going. We'll be one jump away from the recipe, and we
Still a
need.
crap. Is it a rare?
Kinda. I mean, it's just like something we have to find on one of these planets.
Yay!
I done did it. Alright. Which far does the NG have? None. I'm gonna leave that for the NG. Grab one of those. Jeff's turn. And slow decline again.
I'm tapping my fingers.
I take that, destroy that one. Get rid of my starter cards. I take that one, discard that one. So I'm gonna keep it. And I should have enough to buy this crab.
Look at you.
Your turn. You should definitely buy Breakthrough. You should also fix his lab. You should also fix all the doors. You should also.
Yeah. So how do you do a breakthrough then?
I have to research it.
Okay.
It's a card.
It's fast track. I can't.
Choose Mimikyu. Go to the left or the right, and find a card you want to put in your hand.
Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, so give me 3.
Yeah.
Maybe 5, 6. I'll need 7 because this doesn't go up to 5. I can't count yet.
Hey, use the claw.
But I can't.
On something.
Wait. Fast track. What does that give me?
You don't have. You've only
Do I have
got.
power?
No,
No power.
No power.
We pull a Vexel.
Why? No. I don't know. Just pick something.
You can pick something. I guess something with worth.
Sure. Yeah. Pick
At this point.
Yeah. At this point,
everything's the same.
pick a hall pass just to coddle it.
Here, hall pass.
Save the good cards for the NG. Pick up the Conium.
Huh. I remember we had. Didn't you have a card that was like almost 10 power?
Yeah, it's still there. Alright, so
we got we got 2 there.
2 there.
4.
4. So we will die.
No. Come on, we got the wrench with 4, 5. Yeah, we got 5 health repairs.
2 of them will go to life support. The other
3
2.
of them will go to life support.
Uh-huh.
But I don't need that yet, right?
What do you mean right now? You don't need oxygen yet.
Not yet. I have 4 turns.
Everyone's holding their breath right now.
Yeah, but it comes back around to me, right?
No.
What do you mean no?
It's 4.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then you're dead.
4th time around.
Yeah, it'll trigger right when you turn
Wait,
sword.
that's health or shield?
That is whatever's left.
That's
yeah, health.
health. Never mind. Okay, I see what you're saying. All right, so nobody can move ever. This game.
We haven't had a fixed door in, I don't know.
Since yesterday.
Yeah. So that's gonna trigger.
This is gonna trigger. Drop it down to nothing. Then when this triggers,
Gonna drop it down to 1.
1 health.
And then that triggers.
And when this triggers, over here, sorry, then we're gonna Tokamak?
Just to go. We're hoping for a handyman.
Or yeah, I think Handyman's coming around.
You think handyman's Oh. So Chelsea, the Vexel that Mary decided to keep as a pet,
Shoot a hole.
she shoot a hole right under the space.
Free range.
From time to time, we catch the engineer staring longingly out the window.
Floating free range.
Oh my god, alright. What's nice is you keep getting the wrench every turn. What's not nice is you're not repairing anything.
I do my best.
We're gonna have a performance evaluation after this one.
I'm researching the crap out of our ship.
How
Specifically
can you?
me.
Yeah, okay. How could you?
We are the smartest scientists.
Okay. Trying to figure out the best way to handle this disaster that's happening right now.
Nothing you can do but just go. Just go for it.
Trying to see who needs an extra card. Who would benefit the most from an extra card? The NG maybe? Because NG's only got 2 power.
Yeah.
Assuming we even live that long.
Yeah, we will. We will.
NG's got 5 power. Nice. Alright. I'm gonna ask around. Oh, we stopped. Fair warning. Another tail leaf. I'm gonna go down.
What is the fair warning?
It's gonna show us where pirate is.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
I want you to go to the fair warning just before you.
I'm gonna go there, and then I'm just not gonna go to these places just because we're looking for a handyman in order to have any hope. Obi-Wan Kenobi. So, use the 3 jumps of faith. Jump number 1.
We got it.
Does Rodon have anything for us? We already knew that. Does Teban D have anything for us? Got 1 power. Yeah, put that there. Take it back. Put that there. Take it back.
It comes back. Okay.
Damage.
So we can talk about this glass. Where'd you get this glass? Hey, and a failed crisis.
Oh, failed water crisis. I took a wrong turn somewhere.
Nah. We did.
That's a bug.
I see now.
There you go. Capable of cooking, so I was really counting on this food truck today to survive. I could have gone elsewhere, but I hoped that you eventually arrive. I'm too weak, but my stomach-like chambers are completely empty, and soon I will die. When my children hatch, tell them Papa's blood as I'm going Galaxy Gourmet's hands. They will avenge me. Alrighty. We didn't do too hot, but that was the new build.
How many turns we did?
We did,
What did we do?
we did 24.
24 turns.
24 turns. That is...
Hot.
Immediately started out with no
doors.
Oh. Yeah, it was like two...
By turn 2, it was no doors at all.
Yeah, basically.
So we couldn't go anywhere.
And no door ever opened after that.
Yeah, we're all isolated.
All of them just died immediately. So, anyway.
I relearned how to play this game.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun.
That was rough. But unfortunately, we don't have time for
I think we should just start drinking while we play. Just to kind of calm us
down. Just
down.
have a big bottle of just wine. Just
those camelbacks with the straw.
Oh, yeah.
Box of wine with the straw.
Oh, that's awesome. Anyway, thanks for those that have been watching. We don't have time for another round, unfortunately. But next week, the same time, and hopefully Adam will be back. This is Adam's second form.
Yeah.
You're supposed to just pretend like you're Adam, the artist.
Okay.
Pretend to be a pasty white guy.
I was gonna say, I can't do anything.
All right, guys. See you later.